everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video.
This is a Court store, Price Mart, Fontana, Starbucks. It's a new Plaza over that side. That's the total. Kidding glasses. That's a Court store, Price Smart, Fontana, Starbucks. That's a new Plaza over that side. That's a Total. That's it. Fontana. Price Smart over there. So we have Starbucks on the right. Let's see. Starbucks is open.
We are in Fontana Pharmacy now. After entering, I turn left, so I'm going right down to the end to start from the end. This is like the household stuff, dishwashing liquid and cleaning agents. We have the drinks. We have more household stuff over here like gloves and all of that. We have liquor, ice and ice cream. We have the wines and candles and air fresheners, sponges. And here we have the disposable cups and plates and napkins and Bounty. We have beers and stouts and all of that. We have some juices like water and can water, sodas. Here is like a little supermarket, a little superette. And here you have like your almond milk and all those things, some snacks, chips, cereal, oats. It's like a little all-in-one place. More snacks. You have your Ensure and your other protein drinks, protein shakes, biscuits, more chips. Here you have like knee bands and other support things. Here we have like compression stockings and some special socks, blood pressure machine. Here you have like gift bags, gift wraps and other gift wrapping items, gift cards. You have vitamins, and you have like the tablets, the over-the-counter ones, and these are memory foam cushions for chairs, even wheelchairs they have in there. They have inflatable cushions too, and you have the feet support, and these are the disposable, the adult diapers, neck support, injury support items, walkers, walking sticks, lotion. Didn't even know they have all those walking stick and stuff in here. More vitamins. This is near to the pharmacy section to the back. I don't want to show it because not everyone wants to be shown on the camera. These are like perfumes and all of that, men cologne, scented lotions. You have the face products, cleansers, creams and all of that. You have a stationery place down to the end where you can get printing, ink and all of that. You have feminine products, gel, toothpaste, sanitizer gel, toothbrush, toothpaste, hair products. Lots of hair products. And I know they support the local Jamaican manufacturers too, small businesses who do natural hair products. Shampoos, conditioners, wide variety, lots of deodorant, roll-on, lotions. Go right down to the back. Hair gels, lots of hair gel in there, more lotion, lots of hair products, hair dyes, hair colors. You have like the regular hair Vaseline and all of that. Here are like the hair ties and the combs and the clips and all the hair accessories. Scrunchies, baby stuff, baby feeding, baby bath products, baby toiletries. Here is the household items, house decor like cushions and all of that. Lots of cushions, and you have all your different house decorating items. I couldn't do the sound because music was playing. So let's go down to the end. Stationery section. Lots of journals, pillows, shower curtains, more bedding items, more household items, sheet sets, curtains, lots of curtains, wide variety of curtains and drapes, house decor, bathroom items, body wash things, car seat for babies, balloons, party items, party decor items, toy section for kids now, lots and lots of toys, toys all over. Here we have some kitchen items, pots and pans, pressure cooker, frying pans. We have mixing bowls and kitchen appliances, small appliances for kitchens, plate sets. These are like juicers and other small appliances, igloos, more kitchenware, Tupperware, lots of cups and all of that. Wide variety of cups. We have pet toys, bathroom scales, I don't want to show the people, so I'm holding down the camera for this little part here. And this is the makeup section, foundation and all of that. Lipstick and lip gloss and the regular makeup things, eyelashes and all of that. This is all about the makeup in this section, and they actually have people in the makeup section to assist you. Remember to subscribe, press that red arrow. I'm gonna check out now. These are the less expensive lipsticks are in there too. They have more stuff over there, the less expensive ones. So I'm gonna check out now. Here you have little things you might need. Face washing thing, retinol booster, regular checkout miscellaneous things, lots of nuts and peanuts. And you have a nice little Jamaica section. Here we have gift wrapping stuff, Jamaica section and souvenirs. Kiddies Jamaica clothing, handbags, slippers. You have handbags, crochet handbags, hat, Jamaica hats. And you have the adult shirts too. Ashtrays, slippers, Jamaica slippers. If you're going to like Duns River Falls and all of that, you have the protective gear for your feet. Remember to check out my website, natfit.redbubble.com. There are more items in the checkout lane. Lots of snacks. More drinks. They also sell thumb drives and all of that. And pens and all of that at the section, the checkout section, chocolates and regular snacks and gums. That's it. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Remember to press that red arrow at the bottom of the video, and to continue to watch, there is also a link at the end of each video, so you can watch that video which is linked, or you can just search also to find what my other videos are. And remember to check out my cooking videos, and to subscribe, share, comment, leave a nice little comment like good video, or if you want anything else to be shown, or you want to add any information in the comment section, please feel free to do so. So I really appreciate you for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.